stoppage.
Taong 2005, 6 na buwan matapos na talunin ng Mexican legend na si Eric Morales si Manny Pacquiao sa isang controversial na laban. Isa na naman Mexican fighter ang sinagupa ng pambansang kamao bago pa sagupain ng mga maangas ng boksingero na si Antonio Margarito, Adrian Bruno, Mayweather Jr. at Heath Durman. Round 1 pa lang kita na kung gaano kataas ang kumpiyansa ni Velasquez sa laban. Sinubukan butasan agad nito ang depensa ng Pinoy fighter. Kumunikta ito ng mga patama sa katawan at ulo ni Pacquiao na sa oras na ito tila nakikiramdam pa lamang kung anong klaseng laban. Naibibigay ni Velasquez na nakuha pang itong sumigaw sa gitna ng laban para ipakita na hindi siya takot sa Pinoy fighter.
Wait, he makes up an explosive punching power.
Over and over in the ring, particularly against Juan Manuel Marquez. Jab, jab, left hand. Jab, jab, left hand. Not enough for Ryan. Velasquez avoids the headbutt and bangs Pacquiao twice to the body.
Straight left hand of his.
Pacquiao landed a right. Velasquez landed a right hand after earlier driving Pacquiao back with a left. And you saw Pacquiao look to the crowd and shake his head a little bit, as if to say he's trying to butt me with his skull. There's a big right hand by Velasquez. Pacquiao tries to answer straight away with a hard left hand. And there's a good left from Pacquiao. Velasquez holds his hands out as if to say, that didn't hurt.
And actually headbutts may be a big factor in this fight, the way it's going also.
They've flirted with headbutts 3 or 4 times in the first round already.
Serious headbutts.
Lalabas ang pagkabrusko sa round 2 ni Velasquez. Susubukan nito na sirain ang diskarte ni Pacquiao, pag-ikot ng braso at pag-corner sa Pinoy fighter. Pero hindi ito hinayaan ng ating pambato. Patuloy itong inikutan si Velasquez hanggang makuha nito ang accuracy at timing.
He throws that powerful left hand sometimes. Temporarily he's out of position because he punches with so much power. Some of these guys come back with right hands and they catch it.
What about the fact that he's such a rampant offensive attacker that he has a still head and is not that difficult to hit?
That's true.
Morales certainly took advantage of that.
Panay ang mintis sa malapalos na Pinoy fighter. Mas sumimpli pa na suntok sa ulo ni Pacquiao habang ito nakahidlock.
To figure out what's going on.
He blocked one right hand with his glove, took the second right hand, and shook his head a bit. Pacquiao landing a left in there. Velasquez with a right and a left. Wild action extends beyond the bell. Extends beyond the bell.
Batid ng korner ni Velasquez na wala na sa diskarte ang kanilang pambato. Halatang inis asar dahil sa bilis ng hinyo ang galawan.
You are superior to him in everything. Don't let him take the initiative. He can't even fight. You know how to fight. You've been in the gym for a long time. Throw the overhand right and hit him underneath. Come on, hit him hard. Underneath.
Sa round 3, hindi na mapigil ang bruskong pagkipaglaban ni Velasquez. Tansya. Puro solidong patama na ibinibigay nito sa Mexican fighter.
Hard left hand.
I have this sense.
And watch him train on a daily basis. After that fight, coach decided that was...
Sa round 4, halatang gumigaywang na si Velasquez sa tindi ng mga suntok na pinapatama ng Pinoy fighter. At kahit wala na ito sa diskarte, sugod na sugod pa rin ang Mexicano.
When they're filled with confidence, and it's the time you just gotta take the gun and shoot it.
Larry, you're right, but still a fighter like him, he has to do what he's doing right now. He may make enough money in the next year or two where if he does run out of energy, so to say, he'll at least be a rich man.
Sluggers. He has in some ways the kind of life that Jack Dempsey had.
10 seconds.
He has in some ways the kind of life that Mike Tyson had. at his peak in the ring. Manny Pacquiao has parallels to both those guys.
Which as fans, we benefit from.
Absolutely.
Sa round 5, hindi na matiis ni Pacquiao ang pagbabraso ni Velasquez, kaya naman nang maulit pa uli ang paghihidlak, bumawi ito ang Pinoy fighter. Sa round 6, hindi na malaman ng Mexicano kung saan manggagaling ang mga atake ng Pinoy fighter. At hindi tulad sa naunang mga rounds, hindi na ito agresibong umaatake. Nasa mga oras na ito, batid na nagkamali sila na sinagupa dahil sa oras na sinabi ng kanyang trainer na walang alam sa pakipaglaban si Manny Pacquiao. Para na rin itong sinabi na mahina ang boksingero si Hector Velasquez. Sa tindi mga kombinasyon na pinagawalan kay Velasquez, hindi na ito nakapurma. Bagamat nagawa pa rin ito makatayo mula sa pagkaluhod, itinigil ng referee ang bakbakan dahil makikita sa kilos ng maangas na Mexican fighter at tila ba sumusuko na ito sa laban.
Pacquiao's luster grows again. And referee, I keep saying Lou Filippo, that's Lou Moret. Let me correct that. We got two Lou's here in California, and that's Lou Moret, who made the good stop.
Sasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.